3 things why you should try to surf skate in this episode. Can't wait, hit the intro. So stoked to see you again here on this channel. If you're new, I'm Daniel, IC2 surf coach and surf skate trainer. Our goal is to improve your surfing with the help, also with the surf skate. Quick and easy, the number one thing why you should definitely try to surf skate or to learn to surf skate is you can learn, practice and train your surfing maneuvers on flat ground. There are techniques and trainings for it, but if you never did like a proper cutback, bottom turn, re-entry and so on, you can train it on a surf skate. And if you never did it, you can even learn it on a surf skate. So before you catch those maybe 5 to 10, if you're lucky, 15 waves per session in like real surfing, you can go onto the surf skate and learn and perfect those maneuvers which we need later in our surfing. The second thing why you should try and to learn a surf skate is you stay motivated. Every time I train on a surf skate, or a surf trainer we call it, I'm super stoked to go into the water and try it immediately. And if it's off season, you're not on the beach, or maybe you're a holiday surfer, you're not all the time at the beach, you can train it at home and it makes you stoked and motivated for your next surf trip or your next surf session. Third thing why you should definitely try a surf skate is the following. Because of all those repetitions, yeah, you can do it hours long, like thousands of repetitions to train on flat ground. It gives your body, we call it the muscle memory, because you did it over and over and over and over. Your muscles will remember the movements. So once you enter the next surf session again, your next surfing, and you try to do bottom turn, your muscles know already the movement, what to do, because you trained it so many times on a surf skate. So those 3 things makes you hopefully stoked about surf skating. I hope you're motivated to implement it in your surf training. By the way, because of that, I developed a whole online surf skate course. If you're interested, click the link below. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Leave a comment below if you like that video. If you want to see more of that content, can't wait to see you. Daniel from the Surf Companions.